Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to claim Lovable.dev for the next 2 months absolutely free. You can claim the Pro access and apply the coupon code directly to your account. However, in some cases, this coupon code might not work on existing accounts, so if that happens, simply create a new Gmail account and use it to sign up on Lovable.dev. Once you have set up the account, head over to the Upgrade to Pro button. You will see multiple plans including Pro, Business, and Enterprise. You have to choose the Pro plan and click the Upgrade button. This will lead you to the payment page where you need to look for the promotion code option. Click it and enter the code nextplay-love-25 and then click Apply. This offer is valid for the next 2 months. Once applied, you will need to add your credit or debit card details in the payment method section because after the 2 months are over, it will automatically charge the Pro plan cost. Do not worry, I will also show you how to cancel the subscription right now so you do not get charged. After you enter your card details, it will verify and show a pop-up confirming your upgrade was successful. Now that the Pro plan is activated, you can go to the settings to handle the cancellation. Go to Plans and Credits, click the Manage option, and then click Edit Billing Information. This will take you to the Stripe billing page for Lovable. There you can clearly see your subscription details and that it is valid until the end of February. You should click Cancel Subscription after the first month ends or set a reminder to cancel it before the trial expires. Otherwise, it will start charging you $25 from your account. So please be careful with that. That is it for today. If you like this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more videos. Thanks for watching.